all of these things.
Oh, even better. Alright. So I give you these 6 pieces of wooden blocks to make a perfect capital H. No fancy edges. They should be nice and smooth.
Alright, cruise nerds. So we got our challenge. So there's an H on the table that Andrew, if you saw him over my shoulder, did a capital H. And he gave us 6 like pieces of block that we have to make perfect. Yes. We have to make it to a perfect H. So Mom and I are going to go try to figure this out. So see you soon, cruise nerds. Well, ahoy, cruise nerds. So we got our desserts, and I got cookies and cream. And then look at the chocolate right here, hopefully. And Mom's photobombing over here. You can stop it. I'm eating it now. And snap. Alright, cruise nerds. So, you know, I'm going to keep that in there. I'm going to keep that in there. Okay, cruise nerds, as y'all saw, Mom photobombed me, which is, or video bombed me. I don't know which one. But, you know, life is short, cruise nerds. You know, you got to live life to the fullest, and you don't know what kind of life is going to be thrown at you. But, Mom here, what'd you get? Rice pudding. As you saw from Mom. So she's eating it right now. So she's going and enjoying that. But anyways, before I got hilariously interrupted, I got my cookies and cream. And then I got this. And then Andrew right here from Jamaica, he came back. He's the one that gave us these pieces.
Check this out then. We have only 2 pieces for this one.
Here we go, cruise nerds.
Only 2 pieces. Megan, only 2 pieces. If you have 6 pieces, this is only 2. Right? Okay. Ready? Oh, cool. One more time. Let me know whenever you're ready. Are you ready?
Alright, cruise nerds, so that kind of went over Mom's head. Andrew's little trick he had. It was like the chain necklace and or like a ring. But anyways, he is still having us figure out these wood pieces that should make an H. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to go eat my ice cream real quick before it melts away. And I'll see you real soon for puzzle time.
I've seen this one before tonight. And they did this. And they did that. But I kind of like this. I can give you 35% of 100 for a great effort you tried.
We were missing some pieces.
You think so? No. Nothing goes inside this one.
We gotta get to do some more.
This.
Hello there, dude.
Alright, cruisers, so that was a tricky challenge for sure. But, I know Mom over here. She gave up and she was trying to give Andrew all the blocks back. And, here we go. Yeah, she wanted to throw them out overboard. But anyways, so dinner was good and everything, but we're actually about to head out for the night. So, but yeah, and can't wait to see what else is in store. We have fireworks at sea tonight, weather permitting. So let's see how that goes for now. So, Ahoy Cruise Nerds. So we came back from Animators and we got a cute little towel animal. I was going to wear my ears tonight to Animators, but I decided against it because my hair is just so smooth and everything. My ears fall off. Not these, my Mickey ones. So anyways, so the towel animal is really, really cute. So let me flip you around, Cruise Nerds, so you can see this. I don't know what kind of animal this is. It's cute though. Oh, Dad says it's a fish. But they put my Mickey ears on it, which is cute. And of course our chocolates tonight. But yeah, that's funny, but also cute at the same time. It has Mickey ears now. But anyways, so this is where I'm going to wrap out for now until we go up on deck. See you soon, Cruise Nerds. Alright, Cruise Nerds. We are up here on the deck. Fireworks are about to go off. On starboard. Hello. Even though it's not really fire tonight. On 3. Go back, buddy. Do it again. It's time to say good night to all our company. See you real soon. Tomorrow out at sea. I know that made no sense whatsoever, but Mom laughed. But hey, that was the most important thing. All I could see was Mom standing back there like, oh my God, what did I create? Anyways, prisoners, so this is where I'm going to wrap it up for tonight. See you tomorrow out at sea. Bye, Cruise Nerds.